So the breathing air line is kept clean. The Radex filter, you cannot leave it in a solvent or paint environment. So say for example I blasted here this afternoon and then I decided to spray, and I thought, okay, then I'll use this for my respirator to breathe. Fine, I've got no problem with that at all. But when I finish painting, that Radex filter must be removed from this environment. Is it a toxin environment? Of course it is, because you've got solvents, you've got a paint film that's slowly curing and drying, and solvents may be excreted from the film as it dries. So that Radex filter is susceptible to all those solvents, or VOCs, volatile organic components. So when you've finished with that Radex filter, remove it from the environment and store it in a clean, dry place so that it's not exposed to those solvents, because it will continue to work whilst exposed to that type of solvent or any flammable liquids that may be within the air. So by keeping it clean, divorce it from the environment, it'll last its notation or the notated life that you've written for the filter.